Welcome to No More Excuses. Before you begin the keto diet, it is essential to know what this type of diet entails. We'll also discuss why it's so important to know the truth about this diet so you can make an informed decision. This video will discuss the keto diet, what it is good for, and who should try it. What is the keto diet? Ketosis is the state of being able to produce energy from fat. This state of ketosis is beneficial for many health reasons but also potentially dangerous. It's been linked to an increased risk of several chronic health issues, including high cholesterol, diabetes, and gallbladder disease. In April 2019, the European Heart Journal published a study that analyzed the effects of various diets and their medical outcomes. The study showed that people on a low-carb diet had the highest mortality risk. This was twice as high for those who were not obese. While the diet is generally safe, it's not recommended for people with severe medical conditions. Some of the side effects of this diet include a loss of appetite and weight loss. The diet is also unhealthy for pregnant women and people with kidney disease. It cuts out most healthy carb sources and increases saturated fat. Some people find the diet difficult to follow, and some risks are associated with it. What are the benefits? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can help you lose weight. Most of the calories are from fat. It is important to note that high-fat foods are high in calories. Typically, 50 to 65% of your diet should be composed of carbohydrates. On the other hand, a ketogenic diet will allow your body to use its stored fat as energy instead. This diet can be very beneficial for those with cancer. It has been shown to slow the growth of tumors. This is due to the fact that cancer cells contain insulin receptors. These cancer cells thrive in high levels of blood sugar and insulin. Several studies have shown that a ketogenic diet can prevent or slow down the growth of these tumors. High cholesterol can increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. The keto diet is also helpful in lowering cholesterol and triglycerides. It can also increase HDL cholesterol, which is good for your heart. The positive effects of a keto diet on cholesterol levels depend on the type of keto diet you follow. Who should try the keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan. However, the high-fat content isn't beneficial for everyone, and it may be dangerous in some cases. The diet is highly restrictive, and many people find it challenging to stick to it. In addition, the diet is high in saturated fat, which is dangerous for heart health. You shouldn't exceed 7% of your daily calories from saturated fat. People with high cholesterol levels should not try the keto diet. Those with heart disease, diabetes, and kidney disease should not attempt the diet. The diet may also cause an increase in cholesterol levels. It may also be dangerous for those with osteoporosis or weak bones. Some studies have shown that athletes who follow the diet show less efficient bone repair. If you have diabetes, you should consult your doctor before starting the keto diet. You should also check your blood sugar levels several times a day. Ketosis can lead to a dangerous condition known as ketoacidosis. This condition can damage the kidneys, brain, and liver. If left untreated, it can be fatal. Can lead to yo-yo dieting. When you start and stop following a diet plan, you may begin to notice that your weight fluctuates. This is because your body loses and gains fat. When you gain fat, it becomes difficult to lose that fat again. Your body is better at burning muscle than it is at burning fat. This can lead to problems for your health. A New England Journal of Medicine study shows that body weight fluctuations are associated with an increased risk of death and heart attacks. The researchers also found that weight cycling is linked to an increased risk of developing diabetes. Another study suggested that yo-yo dieting is unhealthy for your body because it causes your body to crave unhealthy foods. Yo-yo dieting is dangerous because it leads to dehydration, which can lead to electrolyte imbalances and irregular heartbeat. In addition, it can also lead to cardiac arrhythmia, which is characterized by an irregular heartbeat. Dehydration can also cause lightheadedness and even kidney damage. Long-term health risks. The long-term health risks of the keto diet are not yet fully understood, but some studies have found adverse effects. For example, a 2016 study showed that people on a low-carb diet have higher LDL cholesterol levels, a risk factor for heart disease. Another 2012 review showed that people on a low-carb diet with a lot of animal fat and protein had an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes and death. This means that more studies are needed to fully understand the long-term effects of the keto diet. In addition, the diet limits the intake of many fruits and vegetables that contain essential nutrients. This can result in vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Women should avoid the diet if they plan to become pregnant. It has been linked to an increased risk of neural tube defects in the developing baby. Moreover, sustained ketosis may increase the risk of chronic kidney disease. A keto diet may stress your kidneys with high protein content. A high protein diet often exacerbates this problem. The loss of electrolytes may cause low blood pressure. Some research has linked the keto diet's high protein intake to increased uric acid levels in the urine. This increases the risk of kidney stones and gout. The diet may also increase the risk of kidney stones in people with CKD. The high protein levels in keto diets can also lead to digestive problems and constipation. Many people on a keto diet have reported sharp pain in their lower back. However, it's unclear whether this is a symptom of kidney problems or a side effect of the keto diet. This pain could be due to something else, such as a urinary tract infection. The keto flu. Although the keto flu can be uncomfortable, it is not a life-threatening condition. It occurs when your body cannot produce enough insulin, a side effect of being in a ketosis state. Usually, this happens due to unmanaged diabetes. However, there are several ways to combat the symptoms and keep yourself healthy. Drinking plenty of water is vital. It helps prevent headaches and increases energy levels. It's best to set a reminder to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Most people don't realize how much water they need each day, but you should aim to drink more than the recommended minimum. Summary: the keto diet is a weight loss program that emphasizes the consumption of fats and meat. The plan also restricts the intake of starchy foods. This diet has many advantages, including weight loss and healing the body. In addition, reducing the intake of carbohydrates can help with psychological issues such as depression. It can lower insulin and blood sugar levels, as it causes your body to produce more ketones. This is a significant health benefit for those with diabetes. The diet also induces a metabolic state called ketosis, during which your body uses fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. Since glucose is the primary energy source for cells, limiting carbohydrate intake can help you achieve ketosis. However, the diet can have some disadvantages. Some people may not be able to stay on this diet for long. If you are not able to stay in ketosis, you may end up overeating fats and gaining weight. Therefore, speaking with a healthcare practitioner before starting the diet is essential.